The old ship. No one's ever returned from there alive.
Relax, Kowalski. There's a bird down there now. Look, he's fine. Oh.
Leopard seals. Nature's snakes.
Aren't snakes nature's snakes?
How should I know? I live on the flippin' frozen tundra. They're going for the egg! Give me a way down there, ASAP!
All one would have to do is collect 300 feet of kelp. Dry it in...
Tiny and helpless, the baby penguins are frozen with fear. They know if they fall from this cliff, they will surely die. Gunther, give them a shove.
Harnessing the jellyfish we've trained to obey simple voice commands.
That's more like it! Let it boy, Rico! Don't let him have it! Okay, I guess that works.
Get to high ground!
Booyah!
Success! I'd recommend firing it now.
Nope, hold on.
We really should fire it.
Not till we see the white of its eyes.
They're mostly pupil. Very little white, almost none.
They gotta have a little bit of white, right?
None whatsoever.
What if they look really far to the left? Fire in the hole!
Fatality.
Kowalski, analysis?
We are really awesome at this.
Boys, we did it! Mission accomplished! Hey, we can do our thing. High one!
Yes!
Ooh, my bad.
Look, it's the miracle of birth.
A moment of extraordinary beauty.
Oh, that's disgusting. I think I have amniotic sac in my mouth.
Oh!
Hello, are you my family?
You don't have a family, and we're all going to die. Sorry.
What?
What? I thought that was what we were all nodding about.
No one's gonna die. Know what you've got, kid? You've got us. We've got each other. If that ain't a family, I don't know what is. So adorable. Kowalski, what's our trajectory?
95% certain we're still doomed.
And the other 5%?
Adventure and glory like no penguins have ever seen before.
I'll take that action.
Where are we going?
The future, boys. Glorious future.